Hey everyone, what's up? Good day. For today, we're gonna unbox and try to review yung nabili nating Starlink kit na refurbished unit. So let's open the box now. Obviously, na-open ko na to before. And okay, eto nga. Unang-una dyan ay yung ating mount. Yan yung parang letter X. Metal siya. Hindi siya ganun kabigat. But it feels sturdy. Matibay siya. Then next would be the Starlink dish itself. Yan. So magaan lang din yung dish. Then meron tayong parang manual, general guideline dun sa installation. Then the Starlink router. Yan yung ating pinagkukunan ng Wi-Fi. Tapos yung kanyang power cable. Yan ay i-connect natin sa router mismo. And then yung pangalawang kable na nandyan ay yung Starlink dish mount port. Yan ay proprietary na technology ng Starlink lang. At akala ko nga ay USB Type-C. Pala may separate sila, may sarili silang port. Merong mga documentation. At lastly, yung kanyang sticker. So dito sa installation ay straightforward lang naman. Power cable dun sa power port. Yan. Tapos yung isa ay yung dish mount na kable dun sa kanyang port din. Tapos yung other end nung kable na yon from the router ay yung kable na i-connect natin dyan sa dish mismo. And then pwede nyo nang i-attach yung kanyang mount kung saan nyo i-install. So for testing, pinatong ko na lang muna dyan sa ating upuan. Tapos pinower up natin yung dish. So we're gonna do a speed test dito sa app mismo nung Starlink. This is the first one. So download speed is at 90 Mbps, 68 milliseconds na latency, and around 15 Mbps na upload. This is the second one. Second speed test. So considering na hindi natin hindi natin tinaas yung installation ng Starlink dish, we're already getting 100 plus Mbps. So not as consistent siguro as compared to yung talagang ilalagay mo siya sa pole at mas mataas na installation, but this is already good. So these are the things that I like with our Starlink kit. So the first one is internet connection everywhere. So this one boils down on depending dun sa plan na ating sinubscribe. The first plan is the residential plan. So with that, kailangan nating i-activate yung Starlink dish kung saan natin ito i-install, kasi hindi natin to pwedeng gamitin na palipat-lipat. But the important thing is you can activate and install this Starlink kung saan hindi na aabot yung mga landline, yung mga fiber lines ng ating mga main ISP. And then another plan would be the roam plan, which is ito yung may mobility features na magagamit natin anywhere at mamumove natin siya kahit na yung initial installation natin ay nasa ibang lugar. So as you might have observed with our Starlink kit, ay wala siyang Ethernet port doon sa kanyang router. So that's one of the uh, wish list that we have na sana meron siyang built-in so that we can use it out of the box. Although it is possible for us to purchase an adapter para meron tayong ganyang capability ng ating Starlink kit. So the refurbished kit is available pa rin dun sa kanilang website at 14,000 pesos. At meron niyang kasamang warranty at after sale support kung kinakailangan natin ng replacement. So yun lang. Salamat. Ciao.